have you ever placed a trade and saw your account, drop down too fast? Probably, maybe because you used a wrong lot size. And today we are going to lay emphasis on that. We are going to lay emphasis on the kind of lot size you have to use when placing a trade, so that at the end of the day you won't blow your account without you knowing. These are things that also aid for good proper risk management, not just trading. At least you need to understand what risk management really is. So I'll start by explaining what lot size really means. Lot size means how much you are trading per pips. That's how much you are risking per this trade in pips. And I believe you can, you guys understand what pips really mean. That's percentage in price. So without further ado, let me just go straight to the topic. I think it's a very, very brief topic. What I normally use in calculating my lot size before entering a market, whether aggressively or using a confirmation, I use what we call pip size calculator. Yeah, for easy risk management, I use this position size calculator for my calculation. You've seen how clear it is over here. So let's say we want to analyze. We've already finished analyzing Euro USD. Already finished analyzing Euro USD and your account size. You put your account size. Sorry, account currency, which is USD. Then your account size. Let me say, for instance, your account size is like $50, and you want to risk maybe 0.5% of that account. This place they wrote swap for money. You can tap it, swap for money, and instead of you putting your your risk to reward, you can as well input the amount of money you are risking. Let me say I'm risking $5 per this trade, and my lot size minimum of lot size I use here is 25 lot size though. Although I'll let me just stick to what I do, 25 lot size, and your trade size, which is your position. Yeah, and this one always remains here. You just calculate it. That's this is what I'm talking about. For you risking $5 in $50 account, this is the lot size you're using, and you're only putting only single position. You are using only one position. Same thing is applicable to other pairs. Let me go to Euro JPY. Go to Euro JPY. Let me say like a $20 account, and I'm risking let me say $2.5. My pip size can be like let me say 15 pip stop loss. Calculate. That means I'm using 0.02 lot again. I'm using 0.02 lot. But if this one thing about this thing you guys need to understand. If you're if you're having an account size of $50 and you intend to risk, let me say I'm swapping it to risk ratio. You intend to risk 1% of that account, and your stop loss is 20 pip stop loss, and your position size is only one. Let's see how like let's see the position size you're using. You can't use it. Why? Because this the position size calculator, it's aid for risk management. So to them, they believe that you trading something like this, you are over risking your account. But if someone that understand what it actually means, to trade something like this, what the person will do is that he will come here. He will know, since the person really understand what risk management really is. Instead of him risking a whole 1% of the account, he might intend to risk 0.5% of the account. Then let's see, 0.5 is still nothing, but let's see. Let me swap it for money. Let me swap it. Let me say I'm risking $5. As they are using 0.04 lot size. If you are risking $5, Let's say you're risking $10, you're using 0.07. I'll prefer you to use money instead of you swapping it to risks. You get okay. That's you're risking 20% of the account. If you're using the risk ratio, you are risking 20% of the account. So all these things I'm trying to explain here is I'm explaining what risk management really is. What risk management really is. As a good trader, you need to understand what it actually means. To manage your risks, so that at the end of the day, you won't start blowing your account unnecessarily. So in regards to that, please, I'll urge you to please drop a comment, like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Whether you are watching on YouTube or on TikTok, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.